How to send Dropbox request. So first go to your Dropbox, and then what you need to do here is just click on the file request here at the left side. Then here just need to click on new request, and then of course type in your title and the description, and of course customize the folder for uploaded files. Then of course you can also use the set a deadline and late uploads here, but that's only for Pro. So if you don't have a Pro plan, you can get it, just upgrade it. And then here, so let's say I want to add in a title 1 here, and as for this description, you can add any extra details about the request, and then just once you're done, just click on create here. Then of course now after this, you need to of course send this request to someone, right? So just click on send email here, then it will look like this, and then just type in the email address of that someone here, or just share the link. Instead, just click on copy and share this link through Messenger, for example, or anyone or anywhere. So, and then let's say you want to send it by email, just type in the email here, and then just click on share. And that's it. If you found this video useful, please like and subscribe for more videos like this. See you in the next one.